Hello friends, today we're gonna talk about how to create SQL database in using Terraform in GCP. So here I have one script. Uh, so let's simple overview. I give a simple overview about this script, and I make four file example.tf, variable.tf, and output.tf. So in main.tf, main.tf, line number 29. Here one resource is to SQL database. So here in this resources, so our database is creating. So simply we give a provider name, which is a Google Beta, project ID, name, and database version, reasons, and encryption key name and deletion protection. So simply in these resources we give this of data, and in settings we give a tier version and activation policy, availability type, and dynamic backup configuration. So in backup configuration, that is a point which is a binary log enabled time and start time, which time a backup was created, and location of backup, and etc. So a dynamic backup retention setting. So in dynamic backup retention setting, retains backup units available, and in dynamic IP configuration is a type of a network. In network, available is IP configuration. So we have enabled IPv4 and private network and requires SSLs. So in IP configuration there are three parts. Okay. So and now here is a disk authorized to check, and we give a type of disk size and disk, which type of disk is required and which plan is used. So and here we give a database flex. If you require a database flex, then you give. And yeah, preference location preference, we select a zone, which zone we have create instances and maintains a window, which day and which hour update and track, which day we give a maintenance in instance. So and timeouts, and which time create a timeouts and update timeouts and delete timeouts. Here three option available. And here a Google SQL database created. So simply type create a name and projects and type of instance, and here a random id, to select a random id automatically, and byte length select automatically. So here is a additional passwords or resources required. So we don't have any additional performance, so we simply comment out this. And here is a SQL user, to count how many users you want to create and give name, project, instance, and that's it in this file. In variable.tf, uh, each variable step by step we give a type, and each variable is declared here. Every variable is declared here. And in type of output.tf, here output was instant server k card, instant first IP address like this, and here call outputs variables etc. So this was a main script to know. And here I will create a example.tf, where I required variables to know and less to less line how to create instance. So simply here I create a one script, and that's it in example.tf. Check it. I simply give a reason, zones, and tire source name. I given a name of instance I given, and instance is name, and project ID is it's my project's ID. So I give my project ID, an additional username and password types host I given in example.tf to simply run this. So open terminal and I go to my example folder. So cd example. So to format out using Terraform FMT, and then initialize a Terraform commands. So in initialize type a Terraform init. So in Terraform inits all plugins are installed, and now Terraform validate. To validate this script, so write Terraform validate. So validation is successfully, and now we write Terraform apply. But first we check any instances is created in GCP. So write GCP and go to Google Cloud Console and check whether GCP's SQL database is already created or not. So simply I select my ID and go to a navigation menu and scroll down. Click on SQL. So see, here is a no one instance is available, and now go to apply. Now apply a Terraform, and this script first go to apply. So Terraform apply, and then press enter. Before apply, I give up my project ID. So in this project ID, Terraform SQL database instance is created. Now type yes for perform this action, and then here it will take 4 to 5 minutes. One by one all resources go to the cloud, and create a SQL and select all the resources. So yeah, so it will take a few minutes. So just wait. So here not created now. uh, it's what take something 4 minutes. So let's wait and check how many plugins downloaded, how many resources available, and here you check it's still creating. So here just a few minutes left, and after a few minutes our instance is created. So now instance is created in SQL. So let's check. Just refresh this page. So see, here instance is created, and that's it in this video. If you like this video, then like and share this video, and please subscribe this channel.